नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू इन्वेस्किया। Today we are going to talk about a free stock scanner. This sheet will be very helpful for those who invest in stock market but couldn't track it. It will definitely help you a lot. It's a fully automated spreadsheet with multiple indicators and filters. It's a web based, so you don't have to download anything. You just have to copy the link and paste it in your browser and you are good to go. This sheet updates after market hours. You can easily track all NSE listed stock every day within 5 minutes. It's better than an app in user interface and it also saves time. Let's begin. You can see there are multiple stocks listed over here, all NSE listed stocks. You can see the current market price of these stocks. The current market price updates after every 20 minutes. Here are the open, high, low, close and volume. These data updates after market hours, that is after 3:30 p.m. This is one indicator. This gives you a comparative picture from the previous day volume as it reads compares current volume with previous day volume. Now for example, if there is 120% written over here, you can find there are percentages written over here. Let's see if it's written 179%. It means that today's volume is 179% of the previous volume. If yesterday it was 100, today it's 179. Now this is the previous day close price of each stock. This is the percentage change, today's percentage change. There is another indicator that is called Pete's 5-day average volume. It compares the current volume with 5-day average volume of the previous. If it's written 141%, that means the average volume of previous 5-day was 100 and today's volume is 141. The other indicator is the Halki gainer loser indicator. It reads that the current volume candle should be greater than the previous 20 days average volume by 4 times and the percentage change should be greater than 3%. So you can see that Asian Paints has a negative fall of 5.13%, Ashok Leyland of 7.18%, but you are not seeing these in the Halki gainer or loser categories because the volume was not so much significant. Let's move on to the next indicator. It's bullish bearish reversal. It's a very important indicator. It gives you a picture of a reversal in the trend of a stock. It reads bullish reversal, sharp rise in price after a long downtrend, or bearish reversal, sharp fall in price after a long uptrend. So if a stock is in uptrend and it reverses to a downtrend, so it will give you an indicator. If can you see? Yes, there are some indicators. BPCL, it's giving bullish reversal. CES, it's giving bullish reversal. Can we find any bearish reversal here? No, we won't find any bearish reversal because for that the stock should be in uptrend, and in today's scenario every stock is in downtrend. So there is another indicator called 52-week high low. It just gives you the 52-week high price and the 52-week low price of the individual stocks. Now the most interesting indicator is that if the current market price of the stock reaches near 52-week high or 52-week low, you will get a notification over here. The range is within 2%, so you will get an early indicator that the stock is going to breach the 52-week high or 52-week low. Can you see any stock over here? Yeah, near 52-week high. It's near low. So the current market price is of 125.4 of Chola Finance, and the 52-week low is 122.5. That is, it is near low. It can breach its 52-week low anytime. So you have to be careful if you are holding this stock. Now the another indicator is 52-week breached. If it breaches the 52-week low and makes a new low, so you will get the notification here. Recently Maruti has breached its low. Let's see where is Maruti. Yeah, here is the Maruti. It's currently at 4011.5 and its low is 52-week low is 4001.1. So it was near low in the previous trading days, and it breaks the low in the previous trading days. So you are getting the notification on both the indicators. It will be very helpful for offloading your position or adding more position when it breaches 52-week high. Now the another indicator is 3-day streak. It's a very interesting indicator. Sometimes you find continuous 3 red bars or 3 green bars in a stock. So you can get the indicator over here if some stock falls in that category, as it reads closing above previous high for past 3 days. The criteria is each day the stock has to close above its previous high. Then only it will fall in this category. Now another indicator is PV breakout. It's a very interesting indicator. You will rarely find it. You can see there are no PV breakouts over here. You will rarely find it, but when you find it, it's a miracle, something like that. What we have done is we have taken 120 days data, and we have compared with the latest 5-day data to check whether there is a consolidation over the high of the 120-day data, and see whether a good price volume breakout can be achieved here. Now the another indicator is similar to what is PV. It's 2-month price volume breakout data. It's just that we are comparing past 50 days data with the current data. In both these indicators, PV breakout and 2MPV breakout, we are only using price and volume. Now you come over here, NR4 and NR7. It's these two are very popular indicators in the stock market. This is the narrow range 4 indicator, and this is the narrow range 7 indicator. You are finding over here there are lots of stock coming under NR4 and NR7. The next one is NR4 breakout. If you find a NR4 stock and the next day it gives you a breakout, whether positive or whether negative, you will get a notification over here. And same for NR7. Now we have some interesting indicators in terms of moving averages. We have listed two very good bullish and bearish moving averages indicators. Bullish indicators are those when price crosses above 20 days simple moving average, or when there is a bullish golden crossover, that is 50-day moving average crosses over 200-day moving average. So that comes as a bullish indicator, and the same for bearish indicator. You can find over here there are two bearish indicators. One is bearish death and the other is price drops below SMA 20. Be careful guys who are holding Bata India and Berger Paint. Now can we find some green over here? Let's see. Yeah, we can find Lupin. Lupin is up for something. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, there are also two greens. Now let's move to another indicator. The another is price trend. Now price trend is very interesting thing. It gives you a scenario whether if price is below SMA 20 and SMA 20 is below SMA 50, then stock is in bearish phase. You can see over here there are multiple stocks which are in bearish phase and some are in neutral phase. One you can find is in mildly bullish phase, and almost all the stocks are in bearish phase. Yeah, obviously stock is in downfall right now. Let's move on to next indicator. We have pivots over here, pivots S1, S2, R1, R2. You can see the highlighted pivots are those where current market price are near those pivots. For example, 78.2 is the pivot of Apollo Tires and the current market price is 78.5. That is, it is lying near the pivot. So you will get highlighted over here for even support 1, support 2, resistance 1 and resistance 2. Now we are moving towards some very useful indicators, a couple of indicators used by intraday traders. These doji, inside bar, hammer, hanging man, bullish bearish engulfing, bullish bearish checkmates are all made up of candlestick patterns. These are the indicators of the last day candle formation for the particular stock. If it tells you that a doji has formed in ACC, it means that in the last trading days, the closing candle, the 1 day closing candle has formed a doji like formation. If in the bearish bullish engulfing, if it tells that it's a bearish engulfing, so the last day candle has completely engulfed the second last day candle in a bearish mode. So that's why there is a bearish engulfing. It's very helpful for those who take intraday positions the next day. The last one is bullish bearish checkmate. It's a very good indicator, but it happens rarely. You have to keep on looking whether you find it or not. So it's not there. So it's the end of the sheet. You can also reach out to us at investkey@gmail.com if you have any suggestions or queries, or if you want to add another feature, if you have any suggestion, or if you want to add us more stocks, you can reach out to us. Also, you check our website investkey.org. We write cool contents over there and regularly updates everything from there. Thank you so much, guys. Hope this is very useful for every one of you. Keep subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. We will continuously post new things every day and try to bring to you all open source platforms. And